this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to set up your first or one React project. I will be going to the terminal here. I'll go for the this command here. I have it already in my terminal, and it is the npx create React app, and this will have to have an app name here at the end. So I'll just say spilled, and this will be spilled org, and this will be this will create the app for us in and download the necessary modules for us to play and get going with our React app. So we see right now it's downloading, and we just wait a few seconds here, and then we'll get going with it. And just it takes some, I think, about 20 seconds here. So now we, from the download, when it says happy hacking, we can go to the we can see the folders here have been downloaded and created. The app, this is the React project, and if we go to the cd spilled, I think we already here. Sorry, yes, we already here. No, sorry, the cd spilled org. Well, this lets us take the have the this folder here, the React project, and then we can. I don't know what's going on here. Sorry, but this will allow us to say npm start, and this will then generate the project for us and start it in the browser. So here we will see that this is the React app, and here we get it here. This is what you start with, and then you can go to React and learn it, or you can just watch here, and then I'll just show you here. We have, I'm not going to go into detail with everything, but here we have every tiny bit you see on the website here, on the other one, and here you can, in this, you can just actually delete this, most of it. So let's just have this deleted, and then also the logos here. So this I will actually delete, except the index.html. This one tells us the renders. This is the HTML page for the app to be shown on the browser, and this is, and down here we have all the JavaScript and other files. So here we get the app.js. We're just going to remove this also here. So we get the app, the dev class name app, and then we can just type h1, and then you can say hello world, and this will get us going with the hello world here on the web page. So this is very quickly how you get started with the React app.